Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about a healthy breastfeeding diet that may help support milk production naturally and keep mothers feeling energetic throughout the day. During breastfeeding, your body works hard every day, so eating balanced meals regularly is very important. Proper nutrition supports your overall health and helps you feel more active and comfortable while caring for your baby. One of the most important things is staying hydrated. Drinking enough water during the day helps your body stay balanced. Many mothers keep water nearby during feeding or pumping sessions to remind themselves to drink regularly. It is also helpful to include simple home-cooked meals in your routine. Foods like grains, vegetables, fruits, and protein-rich meals can help support daily energy levels. Avoid skipping meals for long periods because this can leave you feeling tired and low on energy. Eating regular meals and light snacks during the day may help you feel more stable and refreshed. Rest is another important factor. Even short breaks during the day can support recovery and help your body function better. Many mothers notice that when they take care of their nutrition, hydration, and rest, feeding routines often feel smoother and more manageable. Remember, every mother's body is different, so focus on creating a routine that feels comfortable and sustainable for you. With balanced meals, enough water, and proper rest, you can support your body naturally during your breastfeeding journey. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.